Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal account. It's pretty simple and easy. First of all, go to your browser, search for PayPal, and then as you can see, click sign up. From here you can choose either to create a personal account or business account. For me, I'm going to choose a personal account and then click next. So before you continue, make sure your country supports PayPal. If it does, go fill this form. First name, the last name, and your email address, of course. After that, create a strong password. Make sure to do the CAPTCHA. After confirming your password, click next. After that, you have to fill your address location. So make sure to select your date of birth, your nationality, choose the verification method, like your national ID. After that, specify your house number or your street name. Make sure to type your address, your postcode, and the most important thing is your phone number to verify it. Check the boxes and click agree and create account. The confirmation code will be sent to your phone number. You must confirm it. After that, your PayPal account should be ready and you can link it, as you can see, to your bank account. You just have to enter the account number and you're good to go.